Well, I would say because we're living in times of great disorientation, old maps no longer work. Astrology gives us a language, and it's a language for meaning making, explanations, map making, where literal explanations just no longer work. They kind of fail. So it reminds me in a way that we are not random fragments in the universe, but that we're part of a much larger and patterned system, and that we're part of that, and we're part of something that's actually quite organized. And so studying astrology shows you that, teaches you that, gives you language that allows us to become awake to what's going on. And I like being awake. And so that's why I think people who join speak about that often, that they feel they've woken up to some kind of reality that was always there, but that they didn't see before. So making the invisible visible. That's why I think people want to study astrology, especially in times of great chaos, to find the patterns, we could say.